Jonathan. We're in his new 2008 Cayman S.
Porsche Cayman S.
There we go. All right, here we are. We are on highway something. What is this? I don't know what we're on. We're on something. I-17 North. Going toward Flagstaff. Right? Yeah. Here we are.
Fun quality time in a very beautiful car.
Yeah, so we flew here this afternoon, picked up his car, and we are on the road.
Vroom, vroom.
That's right. Fortunately, it's starting to get dark on us.
Oh, that's 90.
Really? We're not saying that. Alright, we are 13 miles away from Cottonwood, Arizona. Still driving, Jonathan. Still driving
Hasn't
over there.
broke.
Hasn't broken?
Hasn't broke.
Broken, okay. And we are on night mode. Wondering how that looks. Looks pretty good from what I see. Oh, blast from the past, alright.
So bright.
And then the view from behind, which you can't see anything, but
I'm getting up to 60 and then doing
we're
a road
moving.
though.
We're getting to the hotel here shortly. Yeah. This is ooh. We are going into the Miners Cafe. This. Down in the hole. Alright. Well, we just came from Jerome, which is way up there. Somewhere up in that area. And we're in Cottonwood right now. We're gonna head to Sedona, I guess it is. And yeah, we're still chilling out in the old Porsche. We're at the gas station, Maverick gas station. Getting ready to go on. Sun's behind me, so you can't see me, but alright. We're cruising. We're making trailhead here. Okay, taking the Bell Rock or pathway. We're not going to do that one. Actually, I decided to do the Little Horse Trail in this direction right there. Doo-doom.
We do need a selfie at some point.
Oh yeah,
I never does one.
we got one in the car, but not here.
That's true. The car selfie was cool. I haven't seen it though. But it was probably pretty cool.
True. I guess. Cool rocks. Really neat scenery. Is this Horseshoe? Is that what it's called?
Horseshoe or something trail.
Horse something trail? Oh, alright.
Want to guess that speed?
I don't want to guess.
That's a new record.
Okay. I got it. I saw it. Barrel's running. Day 3, guys. Amarillo. I just woke up. It's like 7. Well, it's 7:20. I mean, woke up earlier. Already got my shower. We're in Amarillo. Yeah, this is Amarillo. There's nothing out here. And so, anyways, we're on our last leg. Gonna be heading home. Should be a fun drive. So got like 7-8 hours driving from here. Should be fun. See you guys.